Are you trying to decide between Zoho CRM and Zoho One? You are not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation. In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools from Zoho. Both are designed to help businesses, but they serve different purposes. Zoho CRM focuses on managing customer relationships. It helps you track sales, manage leads, and improve customer interactions. It's great for sales teams who want to boost their performance. On the other hand, Zoho One is an all in one suite. It includes Zoho CRM and many other apps. This means you get tools for finance, HR, marketing, and more. It's perfect for businesses looking for a complete solution. Now, let's look at the main differences. Zoho CRM is specialized for sales and customer support. It's straightforward and focused. Zoho One, however, offers a wide range of features across various departments. It's more comprehensive but can be overwhelming for some users. When it comes to features, Zoho CRM shines in lead management and sales automation. You can customize your pipeline easily. Zoho One, while it includes CRM features, also has tools for project management, email marketing, and analytics. So you get a lot more in one package. Pricing is another factor. Zoho CRM usually has lower starting costs. Zoho One, being a suite, may seem pricier upfront but offers more value if you need multiple tools. So, which one should you choose? If your focus is on sales and customer relationships, go with Zoho CRM. But if you need a complete business solution, Zoho One is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.